no, not that many. The grass is being fed into the chaff cutter, then it will come out on the other side. They are going in. They put it back there to be collecting it. We have been coupling it since we are testing it now. And when feeding it into the chaff cutter, don't just load it so thick. We put it in gradually. If it's so thick, it will be tight. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm tight now. Yeah, no. Wait, it's automatic. Every time before we use and you go tighten all the bolts. Yeah. You say the fourth way. So you must tighten all the bolts. Yes. We need to carry 12 and 13. And then lock all of them tight. Before you use and you go tighten. After you use and you go tighten. And the fourth way. And then if we go town, I go buy all these bolts, extra keep. And some people inside the grass, you don't see it again.
Because the power, it vibrates.
It vibrates. It vibrates. Not be smooth. The particles go constant. Yeah, that one jar that to get smaller, one jar is bigger. Okay. Yeah, this spinner, you will learn to use the spinner well. Let me bring this one to cover the bed. Let me bring that red thing and cover the bed. You just anytime you want to use her, you tighten her.
Maybe we will need clips safe.
It not be clip. The problem that they get, they're supposed to give us two washers. One washer go there inside, one washer go there this outside. That washer go there collect the friction. Make the buy washer. Okay, bros, you go count all these boats. You go buy 2 washers for one boat, and that washer go they create friction put, so you not go they lose.
No, this is too big. We'll go find a smaller one.
We get 12 and 13 there. It's 12 and 13. We have 12 and 13. Let me put this one. I lock this one. Put on to cover the bed.
That's the knot. Okay.
The knot, them, just hold on. You say the own that knot na special one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, like
For the
make for no dey go far.
You know, say you go buy washer now still lose am from what?
Put washer for the two side. One will do this side, one will do the other side.
Yeah,
That's why I
they
say the major one now it part do so.
It don't work.
For adjustment or near 2+2. Your foot there.
Put this thing where
You don't lose.
He go still lose. Now the problem of the
Vibration.
machine. Now the problem of this machine be that one. This is a chaff cutter.
Must
If
lose.
they vibrate, you put two washer. Try most.
This one no need washer.
No, just tie am. See the other one. See the other one.
One for those, one for ground.
See the other one. Now go pick tire. You guide and put one on the front, one on the back.
No, the washer go dey.
No, this one will the front. The other one. Wait, it's not lock. Eh? I don't do mistake. It's supposed cover.
Okay.
Supposed cover. You cover that place. Exactly. Lock cover now. Lock. Oh yeah, let me butter.
So if they get better this now, if they
You just create a room. Find one room.
No,
that room.
no.
Okay, that place where you plaster. Now I know the reason why you plaster there. I see. I was like, where we for the spray that day?
Yeah, no, where for spray, I plaster the floor.
Yes.
Another place. So
See there.
I roof this place, plaster.
Plaster, okay.
There all the
Lovely. Yes, exactly.
That big. Well. Okay, see some from around there.
Bros, what you go do, eh? Maybe we go buy washer. Just count all the boats, eh? You go put two washer, one for front, one for back. You go lock and back. Anyone you lose, you go put washer, lock and back. You dey do one.
Like here now. All year now.
Two washer, one for down.
One for down.
Yes, the washer go dey create that friction, not go dey lose. Count all the boat later. That machine will not go shake. No, that will not go shake. The thing they fall, our own they fall well. Now that washer I'll see buy put for our own.
This thing about since
May, March.
Since how many months now?
I'll be March.
These two big heads, they no fit couple.
He said they love fit couple. Nigeria they be. They be Nigeria. You say me that they watch video. Me that they watch video. Now they be Chinese way to 10. No, don't want the inside. That one the inside. That one at 10, 11.
No Titan. Oh one. Who they come? Don't lie better. Take this one.
That kind of washer.
With a small span.
You buy 2 for. He did that grand there. You buy 2 for 1, 2 for 1.
This washer.
Yo, hold on like that. Put on your bag. Put on your bag. Yeah.
Open the grass more. See how it be now. Sharp where.
The grass sharp.
If you give those animals now, they go chop everything. No leftover. No leftover.
All those food now.
Okay, if it's small,
they go enjoy them well.
Meanwhile, under that place where they raise up, so they will sweep every day.
Yes, now. Yes.
That's inside that room. You know, say they do once the raised floor there.
Yeah.
Every day they use broom, they pick and come out. Those shit they cause disease for them.
Yeah, yes, so.
Shit not supposed to stay there every day. You just remove them.
They leave shit for them.
Now this one you want to turn. All this one they get issue. Now this white boats now they get issue. Those one way red where they spray, so sometimes the spray go gumma. Find the number. I think 1 at 9. No. 1 at like 10, 1 at 9. I'll be 1 at 11, 1 at 9. Use 10 at 11.
10 or 11.
10 at 11 did I use that just now. It did that ground over. Use on that. Maybe that. 10 and 11.
But I need to
use and hold on. Use and hold the one on the inside. If you don't tight small, you the wine one you go respond. You just use hand take guide down with the inside. By the time you don't tight small, that one will come to the wall, and this one will come to move. Yeah, you use go carry plier. Put that 11 for back, then use plier attach the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 13, 14, 15. Which plier they not there?
But they know they said the like plenty one.
Now count it.
Like 50. You know, yeah.
Use plier spanner hold the inside. They use small go tight.
If I don't ask, you say that messy when you meet the open so 1 month. So.
What I give them? You'll give them. You don't give them one major. You give them that tetracycline.
And